To get an understanding of the financial information that Justin has just given us, I'm going to price a loan here. And one of the things that you have to be very concerned about is that advertised mortgage interest rates have so many different components. And oftentimes the conditions that are advertised are in small print and you only see them flashed on the screen for seconds. So you really have no reliable information from many of these folks who advertise an interest rate. So to better understand that, here are the parameters that I'm going to put into getting you the interest rate that would be available here on June the 3rd, 2024. So I have put in a fictitious name here of the borrower as being a 3% down borrower on a conventional loan, which means that if he were going to buy or she were going to buy a $500,000 house, they'd have to put down $15,000 and their loan amount would be $485,000. Now we talk about that as being a loan to value loan of 97%. In other words, the loan is for 97% of the purchase price with 3% down. I'm going to, in this hypothetical, say that the person has a 780 credit score, $10,000 a month income, that they're going to buy a house here in Colorado Springs, and that they're going to lock the interest rate in for 30 days. These are all terms that we really need to talk about in more detail. But when I put in the information to see what kind of a quote we can get for that, what would be the likely interest rate, you can see here that we have 2 or 3 options that are considered to be the best options. 6.5% interest with a monthly payment for principal and interest of $3,065.53. Now, with that kind of a 3% down, you would have to have mortgage insurance. And mortgage insurance can vary widely as well. Here in this scenario, the mortgage interest monthly for the mortgage insurance is $97, which would make the total payment $31.64. Now, that doesn't include what the property taxes could be and what the homeowner's insurance would be. And you really wouldn't know that until you select a property. So, but you can see 6.5% interest, not nearly the frightening numbers that you keep hearing about how it's totally unaffordable. You've got a Home One 30-year fixed mortgage at 6.5%, and a 0% down special program that United Wholesale Mortgage has, in which they will actually loan you the 3% so that it's 0% down. The 3% that they loan you is what's called a silent second mortgage, meaning you don't make any payments on it. And, if and when you sell or refinance, you would pay that back. So there's an idea of what the interest rate would be. What I'd like you to remember here is that on this day, we're talking about 6.5% interest. And as we go through these daily updates, you'll start to see a trend in whether this is going up or going down. But this is an example of what is possible today.